Catherine Zeta-Jones sparking rumors that she may have had a facelift. Not sure, but we're going to break that down full throttle. Hey, Doc audience. The big news, Rod. Catherine Zeta-Jones, I guess, second season of Wednesday, which I know you watched that a lot. I've never seen it, but Rod told me what it was. But
I saw it on TikTok.
She was seen, I don't know, at the premiere or whatever, but everybody's, has she had a facelift or not? Or there's these rumors. Apparently it's big news. Like, these are tough things like I oftentimes don't pay attention to, but what do you think?
I don't know. I mean, I think obviously when you look at her, she looks dramatically different. And, is it her hairstyle? I think it's pulled back. Is it makeup and styling? I think it's a little more than that. She's got, some really angulated cheek areas, and actually she's got some, potentially loss of buccal fat and like cross cheek depressions here, kind of a tighter look in her neck and jawline. So I think she's had some type of facial rejuvenation, in her eyes as well as in her brow. And but it's whatever it is, she's beautiful to start with. So with some makeup and enhancement, good lighting, and a touch of plastic surgery, she looks quite good. And, I think more power to her.
Yeah, I love how they always pick these pictures of incredibly standardized photography. I would like, I'd love to, if that was when we were residents, Rod, working under you, like you would have loved that. If we're like, here's Dr. Orrick, here's the pre and post op picture. I can just see that now, yeah.
This is a typical TikTok photo, no makeup, nothing on the pre-op, and then on the post-op, beautiful close-up, 2025, everything in place, looks fantastic. So of course she looks great. She's beautiful.
So Wednesday is about Wednesday, like Wednesday Addams, right?
Yeah.
So who's your favorite character on the Addams family?
I think it was, who was it? Was it
Uncle Fester?
Fester. Fester had to be the best, don't you think?
Cousin It. Wednesday.
The Hand.
Gomez.
Morticia. The Hand. Oh my God, that dates us, doesn't it? I can't believe it's coming back.
It's crazy.
Oh my God.
I guess I put it on my download list.